Hello everyone. Cancel Multiple Payslip app will help user to cancel and multiple payslip with a single click. This will help in cancelling the payslip which are already done. Once the module is installed, user can go to and payroll. Under that we can get into the payslips. There we can see all the payslips that we have created. In that list view, user can select in multiple playlists, then click on the action. So from here we can select and payslip. For example, let me select in 3 payslips and then click on the action which is available here, and there will be an option to cancel and multiple payslip. Once it will be clicked, there will be a pop-up where it will ask for the confirmation to cancel the payslip. Once the user click on that, it will cancel all the payslip which we have selected. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and payslip related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated payroll features that we have. Thanks for watching.